Supreme Court of Florida is now in session. The Honorable Chief Justice Charles T. Kennedy presiding.
Good morning and welcome to the Florida Supreme Court. The first item on our docket today relates to a judicial reprimand of a Judge Sonny Scaff. We'll proceed with the reprimand now. Judge Scaff, you are here before the court today because of misconduct in your official role as a judge. I am constrained to begin by saying how unfortunate this day is. It is a sad day for you, for this court, and for the entire state judiciary. At the most basic level, by your misconduct, you have damaged the public's trust and confidence in our state's courts. Needless to say, this is a very serious matter. The effectiveness of our courts ultimately rests on the trust and confidence that the people confer upon judges. We have ordered you to appear today for this public reprimand as a sanction for your misconduct. This is one important way we can assure the public that we do not countenance judicial misconduct and that we will not hesitate to punish errant judges. Judge, you have stipulated to the charges against you and therefore publicly acknowledged your misconduct. According to the stipulation you reached with the JQC, you routinely conducted first appearances in a manner that did not comport with the requirements of Chapter 903 of the Florida statutes and the related court rules. Specifically, you regularly conducted first appearance hearings without the presence or input of the state attorney, or with only limited input after the fact. On at least one occasion, you improperly called the jail and ordered arrestees to be released on their own recognizance. You did so before their arrest reports had been written and before the defendants had arrived at the jail or been booked. In addition, you engaged in forbidden ex parte communications with arrestees, witnesses, litigants, their family members, and others about pending or impending issues in your court. You inappropriately modified bonds, sometimes doing so based on improper ex parte communications. Similar misconduct occurred in a number of different first appearance cases. Your conduct earlier reached the level that the Florida Judicial Qualifications Commission cautioned you about it, yet you persisted even after you were warned. You have admitted that this behavior was a violation of Canon 1, Canon 2A, Canon 2B, Canon 3B2, Canon 3B4, Canon 3B7, Canon 3B9, and Canon 3B10 of the Florida Code of Judicial Conduct. Collectively, your actions constitute a pattern of misconduct. The legal requirements you violated are necessary to maintain the integrity of the judicial process. They are not mere technicalities that can be disregarded cavalierly. Among other things, the canons you violated require our state court judges: 1, to maintain the highest standards of conduct and integrity. 2, to comply with the law and promote public confidence in the impartiality of the judiciary. 3, to not allow social relationships to influence the judge's judicial conduct or judgment. 3, to be faithful to the law. I'm sorry, that was 4. 5, to accord everyone with an interest in the case the right to be heard according to the law. To refrain from public comments that 6, to refrain from public comments that might interfere with the fairness of the proceeding. And 7, to avoid making pledges, promises, or commitments inconsistent with the impartial performance of the duties of office. To your credit, you have now forthrightly admitted your misconduct and expressed remorse. You have acknowledged that your behavior eroded public confidence in the impartiality and integrity of the judiciary. You have taken steps to ensure that this conduct will never again be repeated. This includes placing signs around the courthouse saying that you are not permitted to speak with people about their cases. You further have agreed to be mentored by the chief judge of the circuit on issues that might arise while you are presiding over cases in your county. This reprimand places you on notice that further misconduct will be treated much more harshly. Indeed, further misconduct of the same nature as the misconduct involved in this case would raise a serious question about your continued fitness for judicial office. Judge, for your failures, you are hereby publicly reprimanded by this court. You are now free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. The court will now proceed to the next matter on our docket today.